safely on the road.
The storm is by the hour. We are tracking Sandy and its likely impact here in northern Ohio this week. This is the time to prepare for the possibility of rough, fast-changing conditions. Stay weather aware, stay weather ready with Channel 3.
These days, the street can feel a bit cloudy. What's clear, Jim Renacci is just another millionaire politician looking out for himself. The fact, when you see Trump taxes on nearly $14 million in income, then he was to raise taxes on the middle class while cutting them for millionaires like himself. Ohio
The boys want to say thank you for the rubber chicken. It's a hit. They love their rubber chicken. Maybe it was just for Hartley, but Hartley says it's not much fun unless he shares. So they're sharing.
Talk about we need smaller classroom size. Look, that's promoted by the teachers union to hire more teachers. President Obama has a different view. He believes smaller class sizes and great teachers are a key to a stronger economy and a stronger middle class. I'm Barack Obama and I approve this message. Welcome